Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí òwe Yorùbá pẹ̀lú Ọmọ́yẹni. Òwe wa tòní ló sọ pé "Ákíní ń jẹ́ Ákíní, Áfinihàn ń jẹ́ Áfinihàn. Èwo lẹ ǹlẹ́ o, ará Àjàyí lójúde Ògúnmọ́lá." Which means a person that would greet one should greet one, and a person that would betray one should do so. What is the meaning of "Hello Ìjàyè person" before Ògúnmọ́lá's house? In literal terms, it means one should not do evil to others in the guise of being good to them. Furthermore, this proverb means one shouldn't hide harmful intentions behind a mask of kindness. Using good intentions as an excuse can be a form of manipulation. True kindness respects others' autonomy and well-being. Don't justify harming others by claiming it for their own good. Be honest and transparent in your actions and intentions. Òwe wa tòní ò jù báyìí lọ. Títí dìgbà míì, ire o.